going on, Lobo? What's going on, Randy?
Dude, I
Lobo,
really
you
don't.
feeling better? What did you have, Lobo? Like, why'd you go to the emergency room?
Oh shit, that's scary.
Scary.
Were you dehydrated?
Oh shit, that's a high ass fever.
Yeah.
Glad you're feeling better, buddy. Don't stress yourself out today, though, buddy. Just take it easy. For the whole week, actually, take it easy. Oh, thank God.
Yeah, you had to get some fluids, man. Yeah. Sounds like you're
You think it's
dehydrated.
dehydration, right? Yeah, you were dehydrated?
I would assume so.
Okay.
What do you do for work, Lobo? I know what it is. It's those beat boxes that you're drinking. Oh man, market is so much bullish.
It's not as there.
Yeah, alcohol dehydrates you. Alcohol dehydrates you. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Reddy. Good morning, Lewis. Good morning, MJ. Randy, Lobo.
Morning, guys. Morning.
Today will be a day of testing your patience. I currently do not like anything. I don't like anything. I don't want to chase puts. And I do not want to buy calls at the tippity top of the market. So I'll go over my game plan when it gets closer to market open. But I would just put a line on your chart at pre market low for now. Pre market low gets taken out. We should retest yesterday's highs. There's an empty pocket there. Until pre-market low gets taken out, or 643.90s, then I'm not really interested. We could still come back and bounce off of 644.42 area, 644.40s, and still be bullish. So
Market is so bullish.
yeah. Good morning, Den.
What's up, buddy? Morning, everyone.
No, I meant what is the max pain number? Or do we have to wait for market open? Oh, yeah, yeah. I'll post it with the AI bot when market opens. Right now it's saying 634, but it might adjust.
Oh, it's definitely going to be adjusted.
We should probably look at some other tickers. I want to try to find something else. Also, good morning, Albert. Yeah, we're live, buddy. We're live. Why are you tweaking? You swung call? Nice.
Champion.
Sell it at open, buddy. I mean, actually, sell it unless pre-market floor gets taken out. If they hold pre-market floor, then you already know we're a fucking vacuum. But they're gonna do damage today to premiums, just like yesterday. VIX is completely crushed, so I'd expect them to just do damage to premiums today.
Top of the morning, you sexy bastards.
What's up, buddy? Good morning.
Good morning, Joey.
How you doing?
Ready to do some damage to the fucking my account.
Yeah, today's probably not the day to fuck around and find out, to be honest. Look at how bullish we are. We gapped up, we're above pre-market supply, and we're making a bull flag right now before market even opens. I'm sure there's going to be profit takers at open. I'm just such a skeptic of freaking trying to step in front of this freight train.
Yeah, yesterday sucked.
Yesterday was great. Well,
yeah, for the fucking biggest bull on earth, but for the bears, it was horrible.
I mean, from 10:48,
10 o'clock.
yeah, from 10 o'clock, there wasn't a reason. And then when we broke structure at 10:48, 10:50, there was no reason for puts. And then it was just a slow grind, slow grind.
Well, I liked it puts yesterday. It just they didn't like me.
I played a couple SPX plays at the end of the day yesterday, and I got cooked on one of them. And dude, they just evaporated. They were evaporating premiums so fast yesterday. It was unbelievable.
Those things are stupid cheap at the end of the day.
Yeah, but they go to zero at close. You have to realize that. Like,
but if you get on the right side of that 350 candle, you could probably make some money.
To be honest with you, dude, I hit calls and puts on SPX at the end of the day, and like 955, 956, I was in calls and we popped, and my premiums were still getting demolished. So I went down. I lost like $1,700 on the candle that moved in my direction. That's how bad they were doing damage. So
I couldn't even play them if I wanted to because Webull don't let you buy anything after 340.
yeah, you gotta really try to switch over to think.
When I make some money and I can afford to pay those commission fees, like right now I don't pay a commission fee, so it's yes, I'm losing in some areas, but if I lost $300 yesterday plus the commission fees, like it kind of kicks me in the ass a little bit.
Yeah, but you don't think about commission fees that heavy. They're not that much. Because you're thinking, dude, all you need is like an extra, 1 or 2 cents on your contracts to cover your commissions.
That's true.
You know, you're gonna get a better fill that will make up for that price anyway.
But also limiting the times I can trade is better, right? Thinkorswim, you can actually trade at certain other hours, not just market hours, right?
Yeah, you can do extended trading. You could trade whenever you want. It's very there's no rules. There's no restrictions.
There's zero limitations for Thinkorswim.
There you go. That's the word. Limitations.
Hey, Options Doc, can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
When you talk about SPX being a different animal, is it just because it's in the thousands, the contracts move up and down like exponentially faster and larger than?
Yeah, so
spies?
it's times 10. So think about like I look for 10-cent, mostly 10-cent moves on SPY, right? Yeah, I get in a position. That's when I start getting comfortable with taking profit around 10 cents. Those premiums on SPX move in 10-cent increments most of the time.
Gotcha.
So,
So 10 cents is a dollar over there.
correct. So if you're in 25, 50 contracts, you can imagine how fast, like some of the plays that I hit, they'll move $3, $4 on your premiums. So you're making a couple $1,000s in just a small micro move, but they burn very, very, very fast.
Gotcha.
SPX contracts burn very, very fast. So it's more of a momentum. If you're trying to trade SPX 0 days, you have to just go with the wind and the momentum and sell into strength, because one little pullback, a little wick, that can take half of your profits away, if not more. I don't recommend jumping right into trading them, but you could watch the premiums and how they move, and you'll be blown away, because if you relate it to your contract sizing, you'll be like, holy shit, how fast
Yeah,
they
I
pick
thought
up
about
steam.
just trading like one contract at a time and just seeing how it works, but I'm a little bit nervous of I think I need a little more experience trading first.
Yeah. Dimitri's mentor only trades SPX, and that's where I learned some of my SPX trading from. And even trying to follow him, it's almost impossible, because there's just a delay from YouTube and trying to get in. Yeah, Den, I'll unmute you. Just trying to get into a SPX trade, you have to just catch the power push, the momentum of it, and then jump in, jump out. 1 or 2 candles is all you need on SPX. That's it. But an environment like this now, where VIX is completely crushed, I'd stay away from it. I typically wouldn't even touch it now until after 1 o'clock, if there is a good setup.
And so when VIX is low, the contracts burn way quicker. Is that what it is? And then when it's high, because
Yeah,
the
they
volatility
they
contracts.
burn quicker, and they don't move. So if we're not getting big moves on the chart, your theta is going to actually be higher than your delta, which your contracts will just evaporate. So if we just chop sideways, you'll just lose.
Sure. Hey there.
What's up, Den?
Uh, yeah, thank you.
What's going on, Den?
My friend, what he asked? Yeah, he said, can I call on a weeks 2 week expiration?
What is it?
He want to call on a weeks.
You want to do calls on VIX?
Call, not the puts. Call. Can he do call in a weeks?
No. Look at the VIX chart. Tell him to look at the VIX chart. The best time to do any type of play on VIX is when we get a pop. We get a spike of volatility. You try to short the pops. Right now, you're just gambling. You're waiting for the market to pull back and crash. I do not recommend doing calls on VIX ever. Go to the 4-hour chart on VIX and look at it. It's like a heartbeat. We hang out, we spend time around $13-14, and then we get these little spikes up. Anytime in the $28 to $30 range, that's where I would look for a short if market's in contango mode. All right, market's open.
Gentlemen, hit it.
Guys, my game plan is simple. I'm not interested in anything unless we crack pre-market floor support. 643.90s to 643.80s. If we close below 643.80s, retest it, bump our head, then we have an empty pocket below. I expect profit takers, but I do not know when they're going to bounce this sucker. So just let them do their dirty game before we jump into any trades today. Every single retailer is going to want to short this market right now, so I'm just going to give it some time. Let them settle, see what they want to do. Bulls are obviously here. They have a crazy amount of power. We flipped above pre-market supply. We bull flagged above pre-market supply. This is probably just profit takers. I just want to see if they push higher. put to call ratio is going to
Ryan,
be
what's that
interesting
cross
today.
you have on your chart? What's that red cross you have? What's that mean?
Where?
On the SPY chart, right? I don't know if you could see it still. It's kind of covered by that big red candle on the 1 minute.
Oh, these are just like my little buy and sell signals.
Oh,
Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I don't really rely on
is that
them.
something that's provided by TradingView or something?
Yeah, it's an indicator.
Oh,
See, you guys, look at
God.
this power. Look at the power north, man. Bulls have freaking crazy power still, and we're at the tippity top of this market. If we just vacuum mode up today, I might not even take a trade, to be honest with you, because now we're just trying to wait and see where the hell sellers are going to line up, and they're just going to get steamrolled. VIX is under $15. Let's check the max pain again. See if max pain updated.
Dimitri, what is your structure telling you? I need to hear your structure mantra.
Oh, I'm not trading today, buddy. I gotta relax.
Oh, yeah?
This is
I
just
gotta
bullish,
relax.
dude. This is just bullish. This is a dangerous game trying to time a top. Max pain moved up to 640 MBZ. So 640 is the area where both calls and puts lose the maximum amount of money, according to the open interest options. 640. So if they go to 640 and hang around 640, that's where they can stay. That's where both sides lose.
I'm going to patiently wait for the top of the channel, guys, which is 647. And I'm going to patiently wait for 643.90 for calls. I'm not
Well,
entertaining
Dimitri,
anything
this
else.
would be a good time for you to tell everybody. I feel like everybody wants to know this. Being that we're in blue sky territory, right? How do you determine what the next level is going to be? Because, like, I was always curious, like, how do we know where it's going from here? Like, in terms of structure and everything.
You don't.
It's speculation.
Just speculation.
Yeah, and market usually likes psychological numbers, like hard psychological round numbers, like 645.50, 646. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Did you see my market update, Albert? Or no?
No, I didn't, sir.
So here, I'll give you a little illustration. Give me a second.
Look at QQQ's a freaking rocket ship right now. What's the heat map look like? Everything's probably just green. QQQ is a fucking monster.
Guys, can I ask, how come you guys don't trade QQQ? Just out of curiosity.
You could. It's
Yeah, you
also
could.
good.
I focus on SPY and I watch QQQ's chart. It's the same
Here,
thing.
Albert, look at that picture. Look at that picture and look at the red dots, red line, red circles that I drew. You get it? It's a channel.
I used to like trading QQQ a lot better because it seems to have bigger swings. But once I found you guys, like I think watching QQQ to see what SPY is going to do is way smarter because I feel like it's almost like a subtle crystal ball sometimes.
Yeah,
It actually is,
I'd say
honestly.
90% of the
It's so
time
great.
it leads. Yesterday, as you guys know, SPY was leading, QQQ was lagging because IWM was a rocket yesterday. And then towards the end of the day, all the big movers in tech started picking up the gas and started stepping on the gas, and then QQQ caught up. But a lot of the
Yeah,
time,
my main watch list has been SPY, QQQ, IWM, Dow, and VIX. Like those five, I feel like.
yeah,
I mean, Q, I feel like has the biggest impact on SPY and the VIX, but I feel like IWM and Dow gives you a good, insight of QQQ's not really dictating it.
I'm really skeptical in chasing a short. I know we see some selling pressure at 645.30s, but every time so far, even all the way back to pre-market since we got out of this little channel here at like 8:30, we've been bullish We have been bullish.
How long has this guy Patel been in the group? He looks like he's really good at this, huh?
Oh, swing trades is phenomenal.
He's a seasoned trader. Guys, this is sloping resistance. But POC is here.
Look at they keep dancing
I'm
POC.
not-
Look at how much
I'm
strength
not-
bulls have. This is my concern that what they're gonna do today is they're gonna throw in a couple red candles and then fucking hit the gas back north. QQQ's looking a little bit weaker than SPY. I don't want to short this, man. They're making it look way too obvious.
Strong buying algo now. This is very bullish. I have zero confidence, guys. As you guys can see, I'm very quiet.
I'm gonna try 646 puts. If we flip the highs, then I'll just sell 646 puts same days. This is just because QQQ is pulling back a little bit, but POC just came in. As soon as if we flip green, I'm gonna sell. Stop out. I don't want to be a part of the trap. I like the little bit of weakness that QQQ is showing.
646 puts?
Yeah, I would hold off on this one, Albert, because they could just completely just blow the roof off and continue north. POC keeps popping in. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this. I'm stopping out.
Wow, you were fucking right. That's great.
Yeah, $100 loss.
Avoid puts. Avoid. This is not a market that you want to fuck with. VIX is about to go bankrupt. VIX has a gap at 1427, guys. I'm waiting for the VIX to fill the gap. 1427. VIX has a gap.
I'm looking at POC on QQQ, 582.70s. If QQQ cracks 582.70s, then I'll try jumping on this again. But this is just bullish. I do not want to chase calls at the top of all-time high blue sky territory market. So I knew today was going to be a shit day.
Relax, bro. The day just started.
Oh, no, I know. There's really, for me, the way I trade, there's nothing I can do besides taking little smacks at it. And if you're wrong, you have to just sell it immediately.
Whatever we're gonna do right now is strictly gambling and speculation. There's
I'm
zero
back in.
levels.
I'm back in just to get my loss back. Let's see.
I can't trade like this. So
I wanna
I'm
retest
gonna be
it.
very quiet.
I want to retest a POC.
Albert, I don't recommend you trade today.
I want them to retest POC if possible.
Gunnish, I'm down 4 G's already this week.
You're down $4,000.
More probably.
I have a $1.28 average. We're at $1.33. I got my loss back. QQQ's cracking POC. Let's see if SPY bounces here. If SPY bounces here, I'm selling. I'm taking my profit, $600. Yep, I'm gonna take it. Okay, $300 on the day. We'll wait for something better. Let them crack some demands. Look at how they're dancing around POC. They keep moving POC up. What is the put to call ratio? It's call side heavy. That's interesting. Okay. MACD's rolling over on QQQ. If they lose POC, I'll try this again. 646 puts. One candle, that's it. I'm selling in one candle. If I'm wrong, I'm stopping out. I'm not going to play around with this bullshit today. QQQ has to lose 582.80s. They have to close below 582.80s, and SPY has to close below POC on the 1 minute. No, there's no news today. I think market is just trying to stop out everybody that swung puts yesterday. That's why they're going up like this. Everybody that swung puts, they're trying to stop out. This is POC. QQQ's cracking it. I'm going to chase this. Let's see if it works. POC still support. Fake out. I'm going to get clapped.
I'm waiting for the VIX to fill the gap. Once VIX fills the gap, I'll take a smack at it. Till then, I'm doing nothing.
As of right now, Norville, that's your best bet. I just don't want to get clapped if they do hit the reverse gear. I can't imagine there's much liquidity up here for them to fucking really do a breakout. But I could be wrong. Look at yesterday. I'm still in puts, 646 puts. I have a $1.34 average. I'm basically break even here. I want QQQ to lose 582.80s, and SPY has to push through POC. Fresh high amount, and we'll try again. QQQ's trying to pull it back. SPY's not participating yet. Should get a nice little pullback right now. Here we go.
You bitch. Let's go. Let's
There we
go.
go.
You suck,
I'm going to sell half here.
bitch.
I just sold half just in case we bounce. QQQ is leaking now. QQQ almost put in a fresh low. SPY's not even buzzing yet. One more candle south, I'll sell. We should get a nice pullback here. QQQ's at VWAP. If they lose VWAP, that would be great. I'm break even on my runners.
Fucking A.
Big bounce on QQQ now. They just had a gap up on the 1 minute. POC rejection. Let's see. Break even on the day, basically. I'm up $75 on the day. I'm out. Stopping out. $50 on the day. Crazy bullish, man, this market. QQQ's rejecting POC. SPY's making a new high. POC is your line in the sand on SPY. 645.30s. I'll rinse and repeat this sucker again if QQQ cracks VWAP. Nope. Want to go north.
Hey,
Don't trade. Do
No,
not
dude,
trade.
Today's not the day to fuck around. If you're wrong, you have to sell. That's it. I'm trading with 100 contracts. I'm up $50 on the day.
This is pure speculation. There's zero levels. I cannot trade like this. I trade with levels.
I'm watching QQQ. QQQ breaks VWAP. I'm back in 646 puts on SPY. I'm back in. Looking like they're going to do it. I'm back in. Here we go. Let's hope this is a trap this time. Let's see. This could be a fake out. QQQ broke VWAP. All right, QQQ's heading to low a day. Fresh low on Qs. And look at SPY's at the highs.
They're working opposite.
Something's cooking. Two scenarios. Either SPY picks up with QQQ and heads south, or QQQ gets a nasty bounce and reclaims double top, and we're going to have a breakout on SPY. I have $1.20 average, 646 puts.
$1.25.
It's very, very hard to make money. There's no money here. This is a buying algo also. POC needs to break. Look at the freaking selling pressure on the Qs, and SPY is not buzzing. Interesting game that they're playing.
Straight the fuck up, bro. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Stop out again. QQQ held VWAP.
Can't catch a fucking break.
Today's not the day to trade, Albert. Honestly, I'm throwing darts at the wall to see if I get lucky. That's it. And then if you're wrong, you stop out. Ryan, you know me better than anybody. I won't buy calls up here. And the reason why I was entering puts was because QQQ went to low a day. But they bounced.
If we hit the top of the channel on my screen, I'm going to get puts. If we hit the top of the channel.
I think they're just destroying all the bears right now.
Well, you got to think, dude. We made all-time highs yesterday. Every single person that is bearish probably swung puts. And they're keeping the price elevated to just continue squeeze and to get them all out of their positions.
I have puts on my screen. I want the top of the channel to hit.
If QQQ flips POC, 582.70s, and takes off, we're going to fucking rocket north. I'm seeing two different scenarios right now. I see QQQ is telling me a different story than SPY. QQQ is trying to continuously push low of day. SPY's pushing high of day. Is IWM blast off again? Yep, IWM's blast off again today.
Yeah, it went from like 0.62 at open to like 0.95 right now as far as up.
Yep, IWM is fucking cooking again.
Just waiting. Everything is bullish.
Doesn't the market also have to take out the bulls also?
Market goes up.
When continuous bears try to step in and short, Albert, it's bringing liquidity into the market. So they can just continuously steamroll the puts. I see sloping resistance on QQQ. But look at the power that we have up here at the top. It's such a dangerous game.
I'm very, very close of entering, guys. Very, very close. I have same days on my screen. Very, very close.
I'll enter again if I see QQQ take out VWAP. If they continuously hold where they're at, they're going to fucking rocket this thing north. There they go. There goes QQQ.
Very, very close. Top of the channel is about to hit, guys. There we go. I'm in, guys.
Too early.
I'm in puts.
QQQ's got room.
I'm in puts, guys.
QQQ has room.
What a... It's at the top of the channel. That's why I got in, and I'm automatically green.
I'm gonna try it
This is
with
the
you.
top.
I'm in 646 at 90 cents. I'll try
Boom,
it.
boom, boom.
This is basically where you have to sell.
A little bit lower. I want the bottom of the channel, and I'm gonna sell. If you're looking at my screen, you fully understand why I got in. Bottom of the channel is my price target.
I got 90-cent average. I got 5 cents here. I'm probably gonna book. Oh yeah, QQQ wants to go higher. I'm gonna take what I have here. All right, I'm at $400 on the day. I'm all cash. I'm just waiting. I don't like the strength now that QQQ has. I like the short when QQQ was trying to push low a day. Now that they're above VWAP, if QQQ breaks out, SPY's going to just continue.
Still in. I'm gonna sell at the bottom of the channel, guys. I have 1100, 11 cents.
Oh, man.
You should pull back to the bottom of the channel. This is merely fucking technical trading at this point. I'm just trading fucking channels. There's 0 levels here, nothing.
Making a small
YouTube,
bull flag.
YouTube can't see my screen, so.
Yeah. It's fine. It's bullish, man.
Anybody looks at my screen, you'll understand why I'm. What? Still in.
I got my finger on buy. I'm waiting for QQQ to crack VWAP, and then we should get a retrace all the way to like 645.50s. That's what I would expect. But if QQQ bounces from here and breaks out of the high a day, which would be new all-time highs, then SPY's going to continue north. IWM's pulling back. I'd like to see like one more overreaction north, one more breakout north, and I'll get back in again. We're gonna go north.
No, I want the bottom of the channel to hit. Here we go.
QQQ's leaking.
Here we go. A little bit lower, and I sell.
I'm back in
a little bit. One
646
more.
puts. I'm back in 646 puts. QQQ, nice big red candle. QQQ.
One more tick down, and I'm out. There we go, guys. Price target hit. I'm all out. 13
I want more
cents.
than this. I want them to touch my sloping support channel 645.50. QQQ's heading to low of day. QQQ's heading to low of day. I'm gonna hold this. Let's get a fucking trap here. QQQ fresh low. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, come on, come on. You just break fucking even at least.
Oh yeah,
Channel
I'm
broke
holding.
downwards, guys. Channel broke downwards. This is beautiful.
I'm gonna take half here. I'm taking half here. 20 cents here. QQQ just broke the floor. Broke the floor. QQQ's at the 200. This is POC. This is my sloping support. If we crack this, it's game time. I'm about to sell some here. You know what? I'm all out. I'm out. 2,800. Whew.
I would have waited with you and take that trade. So
Did anybody take the put play with me? I hope you guys
I did.
understand why I got
Average
it.
down. I averaged out with you up there.
Are you green, Albert?
$80 green. I was down $1,000 on that trade because I was holding for so long.
All right, dude. Just I would say shut it
That's it. I
off.
know. I was taking it easy.
Today's not the
No,
day,
fuck
man. Look at the
$80.
fucking selling pressure on Qs, man. QQQ,
I'm going to
complete
Florida today,
trap.
right? Need some money.
Complete trap. I'm back in puts. I'm gonna try this. QQQ wants to go lower. This is dangerous here, entry here. This is where they can bounce, but I like selling pressure on QQQ. They're leaking right now. Leaking. Strong selling pressure, QQQ. This could be a liquidity sweep also. Let's see. I want them to crack view up, head to like 644.70s. If they take out this previous candle, I'll stop out. 956 candle gets taken out, I'll stop out. Come on, start the party. I'm out. I'll wait for a better entry. That's it. This could be a liquidity grab. Did IWM fucking roll over too? No, not really. We don't have 10 o'clock news, correct?
We have no news today.
Oh, man, I so badly want to get back in. Because if they crack view up, they're going to flush. Q's is rejecting the floor.
Why are you itching to force a trade today? You sound like fucking me.
No,
Relax.
buddy, I'm telling you, they're going to trap. They're going to trap bulls heavy. They're going to trap.
Relax.
I'm fine. What are you talking about? I'm getting excited. They're going to trap the bulls.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to calm down. I am calm. Remember that shit? Anger management.
I'm back inputs. I'm going to try this. I think they're going to crack view up. QQQ rejected the low of day. If I'm wrong, I'll fucking stop out. That's it. I have a cushion now, so I can work with my cushion. I have a $1.12 average. I want them to slice view up. I don't understand how they have so much power at the top. It blows my mind. How bulls have so much power at the top. QQQ slice view up, rejected it. They rejected their low of day. SPY could barely even break structure.
Is the put to call ratio still call heavy, or is it evening out?
It's call side by like 100,000. There goes QQQ for a fresh low. If SPY participates, we're gonna fucking royal flush. I got 6 cents here. Probably gonna plan my exit at POC. There we go. There we go. There goes fresh low QQQ. I'm gonna take half off at 10 cents. 10 cents. I'm gonna hold runners now and see if we actually break this. This is important here. This is view up. This is POC. This is the 50 on the 1 minute. If we break this, we're heading to 644.70s. QQQ is stepping on the gas south. Selling pressure south. Oh, fuck. I sold my whole position. Never mind. I'm not in anything.
I also sold my whole position. I wanted to do half.
Sometimes I do that. Albert, by accident, A lot of times, like when I first started trading, I would buy calls by accident instead of puts, or puts by accident instead of
Bro,
calls.
that's the same shit that I've been going through for the past couple of weeks, believe it or not. But I finally got it down packed.
Buddy, I fucking really want to chase puts here again.
I was too embarrassed to tell you guys.
I think they're going to crack this view up. If we reject this previous candle, I'm back in 646 puts. You know what? I'm getting back in. I'm going to fucking try it. Be careful chasing this one. This is demand. This is our bounce zone. But a QQQ is telling me a completely different story right now. Best case scenario is let them bounce first. And as long as we stay below this previous candle, it's a good entry to go short. I want one push down, and then I'm going to start taking my profits. I have 5 cents here. I'm going to trim some out.
I'm gonna get calls at my sloping support. I want VWAP to break. I want VWAP to flush, and my sloping support from pre-market. I'm gonna get calls.
Oh, they're going to go to low a day if they fucking break this right now. I'm down to runners just in case they bounce, though. QQQ's looking weak.
I have nothing.
Let them play their game here. If they break this and lose this, Norville, they're going to go to low a day. 644.50s. Look at QQQ's chart. QQQ has a little more room to demand. A little more room to demand should drag SPY down. If they stay above this, then I'm out. I'm only in runners. $1.30 is my average. We're at $1.32. QQQ is a complete bloodbath now.
Damn, I had puts from the top. I can't believe I sold them. I'm emotionally destroyed, guys, by the market, by the way. I'm lacking extreme confidence.
I'm out. I'm stopping out of this. Taking my runners off. I'm in
No
nothing.
setup here. I'm just chill.
This is sloping resistance forming. I don't know why this is so appealing to me to short this fucking thing. And I think it's because of QQQ.
Average is 126.
You didn't take your profits, Albert?
No. I got in a little bit after you, right before you got out.
There goes QQQ fresh low again. As soon as they push through this right here, I would start trimming some out. I'm back in 646. This is POC. This is VWAP. This is the 50. This is a known bounce zone that buyers are going to be looking at to buy. If they crack this, we should touch low of day. Hopefully. There we go.
Please give it to me, please.
Just take some off because there will be a bounce, Albert. I got 10 cents here. 11 cents. I'm also going to sell half. QQQ still wants to go south.
I have calls on my sloping support, guys. If you're looking at my screen, I want a total collapse.
I'm going to take it all off, Albert.
I'm all out. I'm up measly $260 for the day.
That's fine. This is extremely tough market conditions to trade.
Please say Baruch Hashem to that.
I don't know what that means.
IWM's back at, I think, daily highs. I'm not looking at the chart, but I don't think it's been up 1.05 yet today. So IWM's up there, even though Q's is flushing.
Norville, I love your accent. Where are you from?
No, that's MBZ.
Oh, my bad. MBZ. My bad.
Alabama.
Alabama. Nice.
Yes, all my folks are from upstate New York, and so like in Alabama, I don't have an accent. Like there's some fucking country motherfuckers here, but any other part of the country, I have a southern accent.
If sloping resistance hits, I'm in puts, guys. if sloping resistance hits. I have puts on my screen now.
I'd be more concerned if they break it and they're gonna fucking try to run this thing back to double top.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Albert, did you sell?
Yeah, I'm out.
All right. All right, I'm gonna breathe for a second. I'm up like 4,000 or something, 3,800 because my SMCI flipped red. Probably gonna dump SMCI.
Here we
You
go.
guys ever-
Sloping resistance. There we go. This is sloping resistance.
You guys ever watch the
trying
high?
it.
And low, though? You guys ever
I'm in,
watch the
guys.
high?
I'm in 646 same days.
Sorry, MBZ. What'd you say?
No, let me get out of the way if it comes to trading. You guys ever watch the high and the low of the first 15-minute range?
I mean, yeah.
Matter at all?
I don't really.
Well, I know a lot of people do the orb strategy, and I don't really do it, but I feel like keep an eye on it helps because it just bounced off that twice.
I mean, you're talking this demand that we have at POC VWAP the 50, where everything's lining up right here, 645 area, 645.20s.
Well, 645.65 is the high in the first 15 minutes, and it bounced off there at 9 o'clock and just now again.
Fucking go, baby. Let's go.
Need you take it.
QQQ wants to go
I'm
lower.
all out. I sold.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
See, buddy, get that confidence back.
No, I was just way too cocky. I was way too arrogant and cocky. Back to my fucking roots of patience.
Dude, I don't know, man. Conditions on the Qs are just looking horrible bearish. Every bounce is rejection, and then they're putting in fresh lows. I'm going to continuously just eye 646 puts. If they break and start going fast, I'm jumping. I'm chasing. I want lower data touch and SPY. But sideways bullish right now. It's sideways bullish. Trying to burn up them puts. Whoever swung puts, they're just getting complete treatment right now. My main concern is if they crack sloping resistance, they're going to have a moon candle back to double top. Same thing on QQQ. QQQ takes out their sloping resistance. They should flip VWAP. Yeah, I agree, Sam. It's going to be a meat grinder today. The VIX is low. They can't go down fast because I'm sure everybody and their sister swung puts.
Ryan, how far are you again from Sunny Isles?
Sunny Isles. I don't even know where the fuck that is.
Fort Lauderdale.
Let me look. Sunny Isles. That's like in Miami.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah. Sunny Isles.
That's in Aventura, I think, near Aventura, Hollywood or whatever.
Yeah, Aventura is like right above Miami. An hour and a half.
Ah, damn, bro, you're far.
It's not bad.
I mean,
It just honestly it depends on traffic, dude. Florida's all traffic dependent. There could be one fucking accident on 95 and it would take me 3 hours to get there. What are you coming down?
coming down. My flight is at 3 today.
Oh, you're coming down today. Nice.
Yeah. And I'm
Nice.
gonna be out on Sunday.
QQQ is still looking like they want to go lower. Look at QQQ. Yeah, Albert, I could try to link with you. Try to figure something
Yeah,
out.
let me know. I mean, I don't want to.
Spend some
feel
time
like
with
that's-
spend some time with your family though first and do what you got to do.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
back
no, I
at
just had-
646 puts. I'm gonna chase this. QQQ just put in a fresh low. They want to go lower. I want SPY to go touch low a day. I got 16 cents already on this candle. Let's fucking go. As soon as I see this thing,
15 cents already.
I have a $1.28 average. I got filled.
$1.44 for some reason.
That's right. You'll be fine. Take profit at 644.80s unless you start seeing buying pressure come in. 644.80s is price target. I took some off. I'm just holding runners. Come on, give me
I
a
have
fucking
calls on my
home run.
screen.
Give me a
I have
home
calls
run.
on my screen. Helping support. I have calls on my screen.
644.80s is my price target. Unless this
1
candle,
and 5 minute look bearish.
everything's
1
looking
and 5 minute
bearish.
look bearish, but the
QQQ
15 still just looks like a pullback.
is looking fucking extremely bearish. They want to take QQQ down today. Once SPY takes out the freaking pre-market low, I think we're gonna dump if they do it. One more candle and I'm gonna sell the rest of this. One more candle. Come on.
You can do it.
I'm gonna take it. I'm out. $1.49.
Bounced off pre-market highs. Hopefully it'll splice through it right here, though. Hopefully another bear flag.
Wow.
I'm more afraid of a bounce. Yeah, I'm more afraid of a bounce, to be honest with you. That's why I'm like, I'm not holding conviction on a market sell-off because I'm afraid I'm going to get my ass handed to me when they bounce. But everything is pointing south right now. We have lower lows, lower highs,
Yes.
QQQs at low of day. You should be fine if you're in puts. 644.77, 644.80 I would book. And then after 644.80, if they take that out, then 644.52 would be next price target. If you're going to try to hold, just say pay yourself along the way so you don't get caught in a bounce. Yeah, Mr. XYZ, click on Dimitri's name and press watch stream.
How many trades did you take, Ryan?
I took a lot. I got 29 fills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took 12 trades today.
You're wild.
It's okay. I'm just trying to get my lunch. I'm just scalping, getting my lunch. 1 or 2 candles, and then I sell.
Trades, Dimitri, relax. These are bullshit little trades.
I'm up 6,000.
Exactly, bro.
They add up.
6.
So 12 trades, I'm up 6,000. I'm averaging $500 a trade. I'd like to see if they reject VWAP POC. Do you think it's a possibility that we have the same day that we had yesterday, just going south?
I don't want to speculate anymore. I don't give a fuck where the market goes anymore. I'm tired of fucking losing money for the last 3 weeks. Not losing, not making, actually. I'm just sitting on my screen doing nothing for the last 3 weeks. So,
I mean, I know some things that you're doing wrong if you want my constructive criticism, but I don't like constructive criticism, so I'm not going to say.
no, I don't want criticism. I know what I'm doing. I just been stupid. Buddy, I was up 17,000 in like fucking 15 minutes yesterday, and I didn't take it.
Yeah.
Patience. Going
Put
to
the
my
call
old
ratio.
roots.
What's the put the call now? It's getting close. It's even.
Patience.
I'll tell you what, if I see QQQ take out sloping resistance and I see bulls start stepping on the gas, I'm definitely going to go long. And I'd probably go like 945 calls, maybe, or 645 calls, maybe 644 if we go lower from here. But QQQ is stepping on the gas. I'm going to try it. 645 calls. This is where we can reject. This is POC VWAP. If we flip this, we should get a nice little push. If they reject this, then lower. If we flip this, then higher. QQQ has sloping resistance still. I had $1.04 average. See what happens. See if they flip POC VWAP. If they take out this little cluster here, 645, then I'll sell. Squeeze is bearish. MACD's in bear territory. MACD's curling on the Qs. That was actually a beautiful short. Shorting VWAP POC. I like the little higher structured support structure that QQQ is trying to build right now. As long as we hold 645. We lose this little area here, then I'm going to sell. Very tight risk today.
QQQ's that break of structure. SPY is not.
I want to see if they poke through their sloping resistance. We should get a nice push above VWAP. I'm break even here. This is supply though. We have a bullish divergence. Small bullish divergence. Conditions are bearish though. VWAP, POC, 50, 21. Everything's lined up, bunched up right here in the middle. That's some strong supply. If they flip that supply, we should get like a nice little blast off candle type of move. Unless this cluster gets taken out, I'll stay.
Very tight. We're entering in the
We're going to go right now.
wedge. We're in a wedge. Range is getting very tight. I don't think we're going to go anywhere. Be very patient.
QQQ's trying to push north. I want them to do one little slice through VWAP and then I book. It's not going to be a lot. I got filled at the top of that candle, so.
Average is 99 cents.
You're in?
Yep.
Oh, buddy. You got to pick and choose what to enter.
Okay, bro, just 10 contracts.
This is it
Here we
right
go.
here. If they close below this, Albert, I'm selling. I'll take my loss.
There we go. A little bit lower. I have calls on my screen. A little bit lower. I'm gonna get calls. A little bit lower. There we go. A little bit lower. I'm in.
$17 seconds. I did not sell.
I'm in calls, guys. Same days.
Dimitri, you give me some conviction to add to my trade here. I got $1 average now. We have to hold
EOC
this.
is my price.
I don't like the continuous squeeze on the volume on SPY. Squeeze is bearish. We should get a nice push north. QQQ has to get through this right here. The more time we spend here, the more likely we'll go lower. In my opinion.
Not liking this trade, guys.
Nope. Nope. I want to get the fuck out of it. I'm down 8 cents.
I'm up 2 cents. I'm not liking this trade.
I just have a very strong gut feeling if they break through the sloping resistance, it's going to fucking launch through VWAP. But there's no strength on QQQ. QQQ's been very weak all day.
QQQ is that break of structure.
I'm probably going to take a loss.
This is do or die. If this breaks, guys, we're gonna go a lot lower. A lot lower.
I just added a little bit. One little pop. I'm going to try to get out of this. No, I'm taking a loss. I took a loss. I just lost half of my profits on the day. I'll try double bottom. 644.50s. I'll try calls again. And then...
I just added also.
if it
This
doesn't
is the
work,
200.
I'm changing my contracts to 644 calls.
That's what I have.
Yeah.
I have 644.
This is make or break right here. A little bit lower. 644.50. I'm going to enter. Right here. See if we hold this. QQQ is stepping on the gas south. If we don't hold this, then we're going to 644. I'm not in anything
This is very
yet.
bearish.
Yeah.
This is very, very bearish. SPY is going to 643.88. 643.90.
It's a fresh low on the day.
Yeah, QQQ's been making fresh lows. That's my concern. Let me see. I'm about to get in. I'm going to hit it. 644 calls. I'm in. This is double bottom here. If we close below this, I'll sell. $1.27 average, 644 calls. I want to retest of this floor that we broke through. 644.90. I'm gonna
Just looked right on the day.
yeah, I'm about to stop out of this. 644 or below. Wow. Hitting SPX, Patel? Okay. Nice job. Lots of weakness on QQQ. QQQ is an empty pocket right now. QQQ has empty pocket QQQ.
I accidentally bought 40 contracts on this trade. Fuck.
I'm going to try it again. 644 calls.
This is very bearish. Wait for my break of structure level. SPY's gonna go to break of structure, guys. 643.90 is his price target. If you're in puts, she has more downside.
Buddy, they can run this empty pocket. Look at Q's. QQQ's a leak factory. I just flipped red on the day. That's annoying. I'm in 644 calls.
I just added.
There we go. I'm back to green. I'm fucking over trading today. As soon as we pump up, you know what? I'm going to take some off here. This is where we can reject. This is the floor. I just sold half. I'm holding 100 runners to 644.88. I want to retest to 644.88. If they blow past 644.88, POC's price target.
This 5-minute candle looking appealing. I hope it's going to be bullish. I just flipped back to green. Let's go.
They have to push here. I'm out. I'm
Everything is
taking it.
bearish though.
I'm out.
Volume is very bearish.
Back to 2,300 on the day. I'm over trading. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone.
Guess what I just did?
Albert, do not over leverage yourself today and keep adding to this because we have a pocket below. So if we lose 644 area pre-market demand, we will run this empty pocket. QQQ is already doing it. So there's a good chance if they take out 644, we're going to head all the way back down to yesterday's highs. QQQ is already on that way. Today's not the day to speculate and overtrade. I took way too many trades today. I was up like 4,000 or something.
Oh god, I'm down even worse.
We're approaching very close to break of structure area for SPY. Q's already broke structure. Q's is in a bearish structure. This is break of structure for SPY, guys. This is do or die. If SPY loses this level, we're going to previous closing price. This is the best level for calls.
Yeah, dude, it's fucking bearish, Ryan. That's what I've been saying. QQQ started the party early today.
I'm loaded right now, guys. I just added at the bottom. I'm loaded. This is the best level. 200 EMA was never back tested on the 1 minute. That is my price target.
I love that picture. He's like, oh my God. QQQ's bouncing. QQQ is trying to bounce. Should I give it another schwack? I'm going to give it another schwack.
Excuse me.
Let me see if we put in a fresh low here or not. I like the bounce coming in on Qs, but there's no legs on it. I'm going to wait one more, see if they put in a fresh low first. What were you looking at, Norville? We have an empty pocket below us. That's why I'm like a little skeptical of trying to hit a long off of this, because if they break the floor, they're going to royal flush.
This is a break of structure for SPY. Wow, they're doing it just like that. One slice. Holy shit. This is the break of structure level for SPY. We should bounce here. I don't know what the hell is going on, but we should bounce here.
I'll tell you what's going on. Look at the Qs. QQQ. IWM's at bounce zone. QQQ. This is the best area to try it, in my opinion.
I just added.
Even if you're wrong, you sell.
I have a lot. I have a lot. I have a lot. I just added. Let's go. Please give it to me. This is going to be my one and done trade, hopefully. And I don't know. This is a break of structure, guys.
I just don't like the continuous bearishness. MACD's bearish. Volume's bearish. Cloud conditions are bearish. I gotta wait for the MACD to start rolling back up before I jump in. 643 calls I'm looking at. I'm not in though. I'm more afraid of this. Let's see. Put side heavy.
Are you looking at TradingView or Thinkorswim for that?
Thinkorswim. I want QQQ to try to break their sloping resistance. They have not broke their sloping resistance all day yet. As soon as I see them try to break their sloping resistance, I'll jump. QQQ is definitely the leader today. SPY's following. So I'm waiting for some type of bullish confirmation on the Qs before I jump in SPY. As of now, it looks like we can do this empty pocket below us. So that's why I'm hesitant to jump in calls now. $643.80 breaks. They're going to go fast. I'm actually going to get puts on my screen just in case they do it.
Doubt that they're gonna go down right now, guys. This is the best level for calls. I sound like a broken record, but I doubt that they're gonna do it right now. They gotta make a lower high first, in my opinion. Structure needs to be created. 5 minutes, just in full collapse mode. But they can do whatever they want.
I got 644 puts on my screen. If they break this floor, I'm in. Sloping resistance breaks on QQQ for them to go north. I'll go calls. I just jumped in puts. Let's see. Continuous fake outs today. Yeah, I'm going to get slaughtered and I'm going to sell this.
Best level, guys, to buy calls, in my opinion. I doubt that they're going to slide.
QQQ put in a fresh low and they did a wick below the body. I just sold it. I'll look for a better entry. I want them to do this empty pocket.
100 EMA is my price target on the 1 minute.
QQQ's at sloping resistance. I'm in 644 puts again. Let's see. They have to respect the sloping resistance here. I want them to take the floor out. MACD's starting to curl up a little bit.
Many bears have profits, in my opinion. I believe that they're gonna pop, guys. Top of the channel is the price target, or the 200 EMA is the price target. I'm
Yeah.
holding. I'm loaded.
I just flipped red on the day again. I gotta stop trading, dude. I was up 4,000. I keep fucking trying to trade. I think they're gonna do this empty pocket, though. I really think that they're gonna do this empty pocket. Every demand
After
they
a
tried to make
lower-
so obvious. They tried to make all these demands so obvious today. If you look left, look at how obvious this is here for a bounce.
lower high has to be developed first. Structure. We have to have structure. We've been going down too much.
I mean,
We have to pop.
not always. That's not always true. So the conditions are weak.
That's how I got trapped yesterday, remember? The conditions were super weak and I was chasing puts.
Yeah.
I went back yesterday. I was like fucking I went through our video and I'm like, I'm an idiot.
I'm getting fucking steamrolled right now. Let's see if they break the floor or not.
You should go north. Top of the channel is my price target.
QQQ's bouncing. Bullish. If they bounce from here, this is the most obvious area for bounce for calls. I'm still in puts. We'll see. I'll risk to like 644.50s. Risk to reward if they run this empty pocket. It'll be a nice payday if they do it.
Well, VWAP was also never back tested.
Was it back tested at 1017 or no? Didn't hit it.
Didn't hit it.
I'm still holding puts, guys. I'm more so looking at this empty pocket below us. But if we do make a higher low here and start to build some type of structure, then I'll plan my exit. I have $1,700 in profit here. But I'm flip-flopping from green to red on the day. I think every bull is looking at pre-market, looking left and saying that this is the best area to buy. But QQQ is already below. QQQ already broke structure. They're leaking. Bulls have no strength on Qs. Come on. Let's get it done. Squeeze is coming in bearish on QQQ. If MACD rolls back over, it's party time. Holding 250 contracts at the bottom here. I want them to run this empty pocket. There we go. I'm going to lighten my position out. I'm going to go down to 100 contracts, book some of my profit.
Damn, bro, I can't even fucking trade.
Why?
It says that because it hasn't been settled or whatever,
Yeah.
you do not have sufficient funds to place this order because recent trades have not yet settled. Man, that's some bullshit. So why the fuck does it say I have money available?
It's because you're on a cash account, and it saves you from over trading. It's best to stay on that for now.
You can go to charlesschwab.com, log in, and then go on margins.
No,
Then
you don't need margin.
Enable margins if you want.
No,
You can do unlimited trades if you
no,
want.
I would not do that. Stay on cash account.
I doubt that they're going to break of structure, guys. This is break of structure. I doubt it. We're going to have a bounce. I'm still holding. I did not add. I'm loaded. I doubt that they're going to do it right now.
I'm sitting in runners.
I'm still in the money. I have 644 same days, so I'm not worried. I'm very red though right now.
My P&L is like just dancing around $1,000. I had like 4,000 this morning over trading.
I took 3 trades. We're not over trading.
I'm over trading, I'm saying. If they flip this, I'm out.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's fucking go. I just flipped green. Let's fucking go. Go. Oh, buddy.
Bullish.
Boom, boom, boom. I'm not leaving, guys. I want more. UAP was never backtested. 200 EMA is never backtested.
Please don't be
I'm going
greedy.
to shave. I'm going to shave at the top of the channel though a little bit. I'm gonna shave, but I'm not fucking leaving. She
Please
has a
don't be
lot
greedy.
more, in my opinion.
We're rejecting this floor, 644.40s. This is supply from pre-market. Look left.
Patience.
We need to get back above 644.40s.
Are you still in, Ryan?
Yeah, I exited my runners. I just repositioned on that rejection. I'm 645 puts. I have a $1.24 average.
Fuck. Bears are fucking strong.
Look left. Look at supply from pre-market. I want empty pocket below.
And that's some bullshit. How the fuck? So stupid, bro. I have fucking $20,000, bro, and I'm only down $1,000, and it's like a fuck. I can't trade anymore. It's so stupid.
It's because you took too
Does it
many
make any
trades. You
fucking
used your
sense?
buying power.
Really?
Yeah.
I just thought, it's whatever you have money in your account. You know what I mean? They gotta settle, they gotta do this, they gotta do that.
I'm
You
still
guys want
holding
my
100
fucking money?
contracts for empty pocket, guys. We rejected supply from pre-market perfectly. Conditions are still bearish. This is empty pocket now. If we lose this, this is empty pocket. I'm going to take 50 off, and I'm going to try to work these 50 down. QQQ, fresh low, QQQ. This is empty pocket on SPY.
Minutes and 36 seconds for a break of structure to confirm.
I'm actually in.
Structure's
They
broken,
put me
buddy.
at 10 contracts only.
Structure's broken. This is so much bearish today. Every fucking pop we've rejected, every floor, every time. There's no legs. Bulls have no legs. Yeah, it looks disgusting, Joey. 5 minute looks disgusting.
QQ's at the 5 minute 200 EMA.
QQQ's at previous close too. If they slice previous close, it's gonna be fucking party time. Still holding 50
My
runners.
girl likes to party all the time. Party all the time. Does anybody remember that song? Or Eddie Murphy?
You know what? I'm gonna book, guys. I'm all out.
Why do you feel that way?
Because QQQ's at previous close. This is bounce zone on QQQ.
There's a very strong demand on QQQ. 200 EMA on the 5 minute time frame also.
I just don't like how we have continuous bearish squeeze. Like if we reject this floor that we were just dancing at, right here, 643.90. If we reject this floor, that's another short entry.
49 seconds till we confirm. 47.
Okay, I'm back to 5,400 on the day. I'm just gonna shut my broker off because I had like 4,000 this morning, and I'm at 49 fills now. Ridiculous. Over trading today. Nice job, Swing. You made more than me today. 49.88. Good job, man. Swing, I gotta show you some love, dude. I'm emoji bombing you. You're the GOAT, brother.
Structure still did not break, guys. We're still in the bullish structure. 5 minute time frame closed above the break of structure level. We're still bullish.
Good job, Swing Trades. Amazing work. Where's West Side? West Side's gonna pop out and post like 30,000.
West Side?
Dimitri, what are you basing your break of structure off of? The 5 minute?
Yeah, it has to close on the 5 minute time frame.
How many minutes we got?
Oh, trust me, I'm bleeding like crazy right now.
Still in puts. I'm up 3 cents. Up 8 cents. 7 cents. 9.
Hmm.
8. So fucking greedy. I'm so down. I don't want to sell this, even if it's a little profit.
Are you in puts?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, this is empty pocket.
So just stay in it.
No, just take profits, trim a little bit off.
Oh, whatever. Baby dick. I'm still down fucking 1178 for the day. I don't think they're gonna let me take another trade now.
Albert, another good thing to learn is like the conditions of the market. Like I know you're excited to jump in and make money, but the market conditions are not favorable for scalping. You know what I mean? Right now, with the
Bro,
VIX
believe me,
being so
every
low.
day I'm learning something new. Like every day I'm learning something new, believe it or not. It's like it's crazy. So when is the best time to scalp in your opinion?
When the VIX is over 20.
I love high volatility because we get cycles. So even if you're on the wrong side of it, there's a lot of times where you can get bailed out because the market is swinging back and forth in big cycles.
How often did that happen?
Um, recently it
Three
hasn't
times a year.
happened. It hasn't happened in 3 months.
It
Whenever
hasn't or
3 times a
has?
year.
it hasn't, um, we need a big major sell off for volatility to get spiked back up. Market needs to sell off like crazy.
Albert, you got to understand that the market is always a forward-looking mechanism. It always goes up. Very rarely we have breaks in the market. It's average 3 times a year. That's why it's never wise to get call options on the VIX because you're purely speculating. Getting put options on the VIX, it's a guaranteed factor.
Well, I got guaranteed fucked today, Dimitri, regardless of what it is.
That was funny. I got guaranteed fucked. Dude, you gotta take it easy, man. Know when to trade. Don't follow every single one of our trades that we're jumping in and just scramble, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I was
yeah, I know.
scalping I took fucking 20 something trades today and I'm barely green. If you do the amount of trades that I took to how much I'm up on the day, I should be up a lot more.
Wow, they're about to break structure. 15 seconds to confirm. 13, 12. They're about to break structure. Motherfucker. 5, 4, 3. All right, guys. SPY structure is broken. Now we're in a bear structure, motherfucker. They did it so fast.
This is when they do the fake out.
If this is rejecting, guys, this is do or die level. We have to go above this level. If this level keeps rejecting, we're going to PCP 100%.
QQQ looking like they're going to fake out now and go north. Yeah, they're doing exactly what they did yesterday, Patel, but they're doing it south. Too many people swung puts, so they can't go fast, and all the bulls are
guys-
bleeding.
If you guys look at the daily time frame for SPY and QQQ, I noticed it was a red green pattern, like a roulette table. So we might have a red day today, guys. As per the pattern of the candlesticks.
We have continuous bullish divergences on fucking QQQ right now. And QQQ bounced right off a previous close. Strong bounce off a previous close. I just don't like this pocket below us. That's why I'm skeptic. I'd say if you guys see QQQ break through 580.91 and SPY can push back through 644.30, we should have some momentum to go north. 644.30s has to break, and 580.91 on QQQ needs to break to be bullish. That's bullish scenario.
Oh god, we're rejecting the break of structure level now, guys. This is not good. If you're in calls, this is not good.
Yeah, I don't, Patel, I play like you on roulette, and then I double down if I lose.
Oh yeah.
I'll just play red or black, and then if I lose, I'll just double, and then
Yeah, same thing, buddy. Same thing.
it's a good way to stay on the table for a while.
Is that that casino wire table on still there in the Hard Rock Cafe?
Yeah,
Sorry, Hard Rock. The Hard Rock Casino, right, in
yeah,
Fort Lauderdale.
yeah,
They do have.
yeah.
Oh man, they closed everyone here actually. I went to Vegas, somewhere in San Diego. There were some tables, but they removed it. That was the nice game, man. It's like a fast.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like it's not completely 50-50 because of the green.
Yeah,
In this group by any
I
chance?
like to play like one on one.
Yeah.
When everybody leaves at 3 a.m., just play with the dealer one on one. Like
Yeah.
1 minute, you can play like maybe 15, 20 games.
Yeah. Yeah, it just keeps spinning.
That's my favorite, to play the dealer one-on-one usually. In blackjack at least.
Yeah,
I like
nice
Yeah,
for
blackjack.
fun.
donkeys
You ever
come
play
on
Let
the
It
table
Ride?
and fuck everything up. What's that?
Let It Ride?
Never heard of it.
Let It Ride's pretty fun. It's a
For
card
me,
game.
it's like I don't know. In casino, I don't want to spend. I don't want to stress my head, so I just play simple games. No math.
Yeah.
If you guys want a good read, I would strongly suggest. I just started reading it. You know, like a quarter of the way through Elon Musk's new book. I mean, it's not his book, but that biography by Walter Isaacson. Such a good, such a good read. It's so interesting about like what kind of an animal Elon Musk is. It's just like wow, what a specimen. It's like just amazing. You know what I mean? Like if people like that actually exist, how relentless he is. Like overall his demeanor and how he pushes everybody to exhaustion pretty much. And that's his standard too. He's like, if you're not gonna do it, I'll do it. You know? And he's doing it with them, if anything. And he was talking about a story how he was playing poker one day, right? And how he gamed the system by kept like he would go all in, right? And he would keep rebuying in, doubling down. Exactly what you were just talking about, Ryan, in regards to that. So basically, he ended up taking everybody out ultimately by doing that because he just kept. But then again, when you got money, like a person like Elon Musk, they wouldn't even allow him to really play in the casino because he could take them out. You know that, right? Like the casino would not really allow him to play like unlimited amounts.
Yeah. Well, that's the problem. You end up running into your max max. So like if you're a $50 minimum table, but they only allow single hands to be up to, a couple $1,000, you can only double down so many times until it's the martingale strategy. That's what it's called. Martingale.
Right.
But casinos, they're designed to win.
Yeah, they're designed to win. They will literally not allow you if they know that you're coming in more than what they have in their fucking vault right now. They won't do it because they have a high chance of going out overnight.
You ever watch the videos of that guy? He's got like tattoos all over his face. He's always in the Vegas casinos. Forget his name.
Mickey?
Is that his name? He's got like black, it's like black ink tattoos all over him.
Mickey Mace.
Yeah. This dude
What about him?
he bends over casinos, buddy. I don't know how the hell he does it. But they banned him from a lot of casinos in in Vegas.
Yeah, that's what they do, which is so fucked up, bro. You take so many people's money away, but once you get a guy that is finally beating you, or a gal, whatever, and it's like, oh, nope, let's stop him right there and then. Like, it's fucked up. And again, it is a business, bro. They gotta protect themselves.
Let's see, his net worth.
Damn it, we cannot close above break of
$43
structure.
million is his net worth.
How much?
43 million.
Oh, not bad. All right, at this point, Dimitri, we want you to win, brother.
$644.30s has to get taken out. And 580.90s has to get taken out on QQQ for bulls to try to push. MACD's curling up, but we still have squeeze bearish.
I'm waiting for the 50% retracement / VWAP, guys. I'm not fucking leaving. But this is looking bearish. This is looking horrible.
50% is 644.90.
Ichi, what was your favorite subject in school?
Science.
For real?
Yeah, I was really good at science.
QQQ is about to put in a fresh low.
This is the top of the channel. If we reject this top of the channel, we're making a new low. Yep, we're just channel trading right now. This is just the channel. Respecting the channel very nicely, guys.
Empty pocket below if they do it. Empty pocket. All the way to 645.80s. I'm sorry. Not 640.
Yeah,
642.80s.
What the fuck are you talking about?
642.80s.
We're all the way down here. How did you go all the way up there?
QQQ's at previous close. Slicing. This is empty pocket now.
Well, and the day that I'm not bearish is the day that they do this.
It'd be like that, bro.
It be like that.
I wasn't going to say it. You said it yourself. I think I hit more puts than you today. That's never the case. They need to get liquidity. That's the problem. Market cannot just continuously go north. They need liquidity. So wherever the hell bulls line up in liquidity, where they're satisfied with their liquidity, it's going to be a disgusting bounce. This is the pocket here. I don't want to participate in chasing puts here. My broker's off. And we're too bearish for me to just blindly jump in calls. I wouldn't buy puts here because when they bounce, they're going to bounce. QQQ's still holding previous close. That's the other issue. QQQ's still sitting on previous close. Continuous squeeze bearish. MACD's bearish. Everything's bearish. So there's no confirmation to try to go long off of this yet either. Now for bulls to step in, they got to get back above 644. 644.
Brian, do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Is it Option Doctor?
No.
Gotcha.
I'll send you my.
We have a TradeHub stocks Instagram.
Yes, we do.
Really? Can't wait to follow that page. Yo, this Nicki Minaj fucking trend is so annoying.
I wish I had an unlimited bank account.
Okay. How did
This does
you
not fucking make sense. There's
trade
zero structure. They're just going down, 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 down. You need to make a lower high eventually.
QQQ's in vomit mode.
Yeah, QQ just broke the 200 on the 5.
QQQ's next stop will be 579.25.
Yesterday's pre-market highs. Oh, buddy, QQQ has nothing. Yesterday's pre-market highs is for QQQ.
There's small
They're gonna
demand
dump.
There's small demand at 579.20s.
They're gonna dump this shit like crazy right now. QQ has nothing.
nothing, nothing. You ain't getting nothing. On some bag of bullshit. Caught up, man.
This is empty pocket on SPY. We got room to 642.80s.
Fuck, again, they rejected me. That's gonna enter.
642.80s. How'd everybody do today? Green, red, pink, not trading.
Dark red.
Ryan, I know you're green.
MACD rolls over. We're gonna fucking make a bullish divergence.
Let's go, Cherie. Woohoo. Yo, you post like $700 to $800 every day. That's great. Good job. Yeah, there's no theta burn on days like this. Well, there's no theta burn period for you for futures. You can just freaking set it and forget it and drag your stops. You'll get there. If your red days aren't bigger than your green days, they won't mess with your head.
I just added bullish divergence, guys. Let's see if it confirms.
Now it's important for QQQ to get back above previous close if you're bullish or trying to be bullish. And SPY cannot reject this floor here at 643.60. All these little floors that we're making have been rejections. Every single floor has been a rejection since 950. This is not bullish yet.
Am I the only one that kind of gets a little anxious when I drink coffee and trade? Specifically drinking coffee, giving that anxiety a little bit?
No. What are you anxious about?
No, like, you just kind of like, so first things first, I kind of bite on my nails. I find myself biting my nails even more when I'm like, let's say, uh, if I'm drinking coffee and trading, specifically drinking coffee. I gotta stop doing that shit. I don't think the caffeine works for
I
me
can't
anymore.
trade without my caffeine, but I also take 100 milligrams of Zoloft every morning before I trade.
Oh, shit.
It could be your sizing too. A lot of it has to do with sizing. You're just excited to make
No,
money.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If it's a one contract or the 40 contract or whatever, it doesn't matter. It's just when I'm feeling like excited, this and that, like, that's how it feels.
Yeah.
That's how I do push-ups, Albert. Gotta spend some energy too.
Look at QQQ, man. QQQ is empty pocket. This is scary.
Yeah, it's just vomit mode. They've been in vomit mode since they cracked pre-market floor at 10:20 today.
We just get a lightning candle up so that way Dimitri could finally get the fuck out of his trade and holding for an hour again.
I have 350 contracts.
I can imagine. It's almost as if the market knows we gotta fuck Dimitri.
No, I'm small fries, buddy. I'm a fucking small puddle in this ocean.
I don't understand how these big guys get filled. That's my question.
Dark pool. They make an exchange just for them.
But who's filling it? Hedges? Banks?
I think it's all imaginary, man. Money
Yeah.
doesn't exist. All
Like if you
bullshit.
wanted to put in a $10 million order right now,
Isn't that why they do those fake outs where they fuck everybody's stop losses? Isn't that so big institutions can have the liquidity to get in without fucking up the price?
I mean, I don't know. Could be. I don't know. It really, like, you got to look at the market cap and how much, like, if you were trying to buy 100, maybe $50 million worth of SPY shares, it's not really going to move the market that much.
I've always heard that, but that could just be like YouTube, conspiracy theories. But I've always heard that whenever you get those like really, how you see those really ironic, like it's stair stepping perfectly, and then it just barely goes above, where everybody's stop loss is, and then it ain't south or whatever. Like I've always
Yeah.
heard that that's big dogs getting filled, but maybe not. I don't know.
It could be. I mean, it's a lot of times they're just trying to ding people out. Whatever looks the most obvious for stops, that's usually where they hit. That's why I was saying, like, trying to go long off of 643.90s today was just too obvious. Market conditions are bearish. And look what they did.
Brian,
They bounced it up at 1044 candle, rejected supply from pre-market to the T, and now we're running this empty pocket. I should have held
Brian,
my puts.
I see you've updated the site a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but ChatGPT is not gonna cut it, bro. I'm sorry, I love you, but it's just not gonna cut it.
Why? It
Sorry.
doesn't look good?
It's hard for me to explain it to you. There's just so many factors that you're not considering that you are going off of your head and thinking that this is what people see and what they want, and this is how they take action. You know what I mean? But there's so much more involved to it. Like I said, bro, you know how much it took me to build my website, and it's still not to my satisfaction to a certain extent, just because I see what the great websites are doing and why they are doing it and why they spend so much money doing it. It's because it converts people. It's so much. You should look up the word UI and UX. What does that mean? It's like user interface is one, and then user experience is another. So there are people that specialize in that specifically. So this is not something that, like, let's say ChatGPT could do. It's like saying, "Oh, bro, you know what? Fuck it, Ryan. I don't need to learn from you, bro. I'm just gonna go on ChatGPT to learn how to trade." Is that gonna really work? Is that gonna really work? Because it takes so much more experience. It takes nuance. It's like you gotta see there are certain days that are like this. There are certain days that are like that when it comes to trading, right? There's so many different signals. I'm not so a person that is experienced, like saying, I fucking fell down the stairs. You know what? My girl took a class on how to fucking fix broken bones or whatever. Are you gonna really trust your girl? Or are you gonna go to the surgeon to fix your broken hand, let's say? You know what I'm saying? So it's
Yeah.
like there's certain things you rather like hand it off to a person where he's gonna give you or she's gonna give you ideas. Well, we could do it like this, we could do it like that. Trust me, bro. Dramatically, you're gonna see, whoa, this website looks way better. Like I'm telling you. I mean, look, I give you props for trying. Honestly speaking, it's not easy. But if you, I know you really want to make this work out and everything, I would, spend a couple of $1,000 and get it done the right way.
Yeah, I just don't.
Just
We
saying.
don't get the traffic. We don't get the traffic on our website. That's the problem. So for me to really
Not
invest,
yet, bro.
I know,
Not
but
yet.
you got to think. You got to think, dude. Like, who's googling TradeHubStocks.com? You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's
You're
more.
again,
It's
you're
more of
missing.
a landing page
When
for.
when I get maybe if we get together, I'll explain to you a little bit more thoroughly with my website and I'll show you. For instance, like let's say I'm also using Shopify, right? I have over 12,000 sessions a month, right? More even. Like this is just on a monthly basis. It kind of fluctuates. Again, of course, I'm spending advertising money and all that stuff like Google Ads, Facebook, and all that stuff. 12,000 sessions, bro. Are you getting 12,000 sessions a month?
Yeah, but
How many sessions a
you
month
got
are
to
you
think.
getting?
You got to think at the consumer base. Everybody needs glasses. Not everybody's looking for a trading Discord. You know what I mean?
It's about the positioning, bro. I
Yeah.
promise you. There's definitely a market for this, bro. There's a lot of people that are interested in trading nowadays. It's all over social media. It's constantly, bro. There's so many of these gurus out there. You know what I'm saying? So why not take a piece of that pie? 100% there's a market for what you guys are doing. 100%.
I think it's very personally. I think it's very oversaturated. A very oversaturated market.
When things don't work out for us, we right away use the saturation thing. Trust me, bro. I always use that too. Oh, I think my industry is oversaturated. I trust me, bro. It's just a different way you got to do it. If you get together with the right minds when it comes to marketing and all that stuff and positioning, trust me, they'll change your mind. And once you see the results, it's just that it's a little bit of an investing game. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bro, I spent a lot of money, bro. I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on shit like this. Like, I've spent already over $500,000 just on Facebook ads in the past few years, bro.
That's disgusting.
No, but why is that
But
disgusting?
do you
It's
have an
because
ROI?
ROI. Yes, obviously, bro. It's because it works. You know what I'm saying? Why would you keep spending money on something that doesn't work? You know what I mean?
So how long did it take for you to start cooking, or are you just compounding your investments as you grow?
So,
Ryan,
so
I
here's
think
the
you should
thing.
call Albert personally, Ryan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. This
Yeah.
is a private
All right.
conversation. We could
Ryan,
talk about it.
you're getting way too out of hand.
Who?
No, I mean not to shut you guys down. Just give Albert a call.
Oh, it's bouncing.
I gotta pick up a call.
No, no, I don't know if any of our viewers hate this subject. It is bouncing. It is bouncing. Top of the channel broke, guys. This is the previous floor, 643.89. Volume
Appreciate
is
that,
coming,
A
though.
team. Thank you.
Um,
644 has to flip for you to have a chance. Bullish. QQQ's back to previous close.
these last 3 candles was $10,000.
Happy birthday to your son, Swing Trades. It's beautiful. Beautiful family.
Woo! Happy birthday, buddy.
How much are you down on the day?
I was down 16,000. I'm only down 6,000. I'm only down 5,000 now. I'm very close.
This is it right here. 644 needs to flip.
Yeah, this is do or die zone.
QQQ's above previous close. Next area, 644.30s.
VWAP was never back tested. I really want VWAP and the 50% retracement. 5-minute candle looking very, very nice. It's like a reversal 5-minute candle. If you guys zoom out left to yesterday, this is how we developed a 5-minute candle, and we just rocketed. Patterns. Let's see if this pattern works out. This is bullish. Your broker really off, Ryan?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, my broker is off. I over traded. I went from green to red to green to red to green. I'm up like $5,000, so I'm chilling. I'm waiting for you to make your money back.
Dimitri, are you still in?
I'm still in.
Are you green?
Pink.
Pink, okay.
644.30s is price target if they do it. If not, they're going to reject here and put in a fresh low. But QQQ is looking bullish now, finally. QQQ has room to 580.90s if they get out of this little zone here.
Sorry,
I really
guys, if
think
I'm boring you with our conversation about
I
market.
really think VIX is gonna fill the gap. VIX has a gap, guys. Don't forget at 1427.
This sucks. I can take any trade, but whatever, I guess it's for the best.
QQQ's looking like they're going to try to fire it up right now. Bullish.
Yeah, but POC is right there. QQQ. If we make this level of support, we're gonna rock it. This level has to be a support where we are right now.
Is this pre-market demand?
Correct. I do believe it makes sense for them to go to 50%, just to burn all the bears, burn all the bulls, then they can consolidate at the 50%.
Does anybody have the put to call ratio? I don't have my broker open.
Where do I go to do that again? You go to monitor.
It's under trade. I think it's under the trade.
It's under
All
trade
products?
and all product.
Yeah.
1.9 million versus 1.7 million
1.9 calls.
puts.
Yeah, my P&L dropped by 10,000 for the year.
Think of it as tuition.
Yeah, I think that's the way I'm thinking about it.
Albert, did you watch all the master classes?
No, I did not.
Losing is a
Well-
choice, Albert.
Trust me, bro. I will. It's just I also got a life here. It's kind of tough to make time for all this shit.
You need to completely forget about learning how to make money and learn how to trade and find your edge. Because as you can see, me and Ryan have different edges.
Jagged Edge.
Yeah.
How's that Eminem song go?
It's not supposed to be on. If we break this, we're gonna fucking collapse. This is not good.
Mitch, I don't know how you have the stomach to hold this shit for this long. I swear. And the patient. It's amazing.
This is all I do, so I have to.
I'll be right back.
Because conditions are still bearish. Volumes are everything bullish. Conditions are still bearish. Structure is bearish. It's not good. 5-minute candle closes like this, guys. It's a lower high, and we're gonna make a lower low. This is looking like a rejection.
All right, I'm back. I got my lunch.
What'd you eat?
I'm eating right now. Some steak, baby. I'm gonna go to the gym after. 643.60s demand. 643.90 supply. 644 supply. This is tight right here. QQQ is trying to put in a higher low, but they're.
Oh, this is sloping support.
Yep.
Finally, we got some sloping support. Finally. This is what I wanted to see. We finally got sloping support. I'm bullish, guys, for now, until sloping support breaks. I'll do it. This is sloping support. If this breaks, guys, we're gonna go down. Man, wow. Still holding. Still holding. Look at the volume on that previous 1-minute candle. I just added 400 deep. lower right now.
QQQ is struggling to flip the previous closing price, which is also the floor at 1047. We need QQQ above previous close. Try to push supply at 580.40s. And SPY needs to get above 644 for bulls to try to step in. Until then, that little box I drew, that's the penalty corner.
Sloping support intact. We bounced very nicely. That previous volume candle was very nice. We're about to flip green. From Ryan.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's run this shit up.
You're in?
No, bro. I'm rooting for you. See what kind of good friends
I'm
you
very
have?
close. I'm very close.
I can't even fucking trade. I'm staying in it for you. Not like there's
No, but
anything
did
to
you see
trade.
the red wick? The bottom of the day, red wick. And then once we got that red wick, 2 red wicks, that's what I look for as sloping support. You see that on my screen, right, Albert?
Mhm.
Every single time you see that those 2 red wicks, that's sloping support. And the opposite also, like when it's like a lower high red wicks. I don't like green wicks. I back tested it many times for years. Red wicks always work, not green.
QQQ's
So
at
if the red
supply.
wick touches the bottom, you mean?
Yeah. So I connect both red wicks together.
QQQ is at supply. Let's see if they flip it. If they push 644.30s is next.
QQQ also needs to backtest VWAB. That's minimum. SPY and QQQ at the 5-minute time frame never backtest the VWAB. They're gonna go north. It's just patience, patience, patience. Look at the ticks. Look at the ticks. How they just crazy dumped. Holy
I like
shit.
the MACD. MACD's just hugging and
also-
kissing sideways, and QQQ's at supply. Strong supply on QQQ. 580.40s.
They're not making it easy.
It's just because the conditions are so much bearish. IWM is a fucking rocket ship still, though. IWM just broke the fuck out.
It's gonna keep going until September. IWM is small cap, so every time they decrease interest rates or have speculation of decreasing interest rates, it goes up like crazy.
Back to penalty zone.
Sloping support broke, guys.
How much were you down at the top of that candle?
8,000. My strike is not bad. It's 644, so I'm not that worried. But if we lose this, we're gonna just royal flush. I only added like fucking 6 times to this position.
sometimes you gotta just pop out.
Where do they want to go? Let's see. Let's see. %50 from Monday's lows to today's highs at 644, 640.45. You think they want to go to 640.45? Macro? Just not convinced because of the VIX. Not convinced of a collapse because of the VIX. VIX is still red on the day.
Make pizza, it's great. It sucks. You're a fucking chill. Pizza look phenomenal.
Do 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 do.
How's SMCI for you?
SMCI, I have like a $45 average. It's flat. I'm probably up $600 on it. I think I got it at like 45.18. We closed below $45 on the daily time frame. I'll sell it. I'm thinking long term hold. Maybe I'll get back to $50 on it. $60. You know what I haven't looked
The
at
last
in a
2
while?
weeks,
I haven't looked
nothing.
at. Oh wow, I haven't looked at UNH, man. Look at UNH.
I told you UNH is good. Once they made a lower low on the daily time frame, I told you UNH is good. I texted you.
Wow, UNH went from $230 to $270. Dang, I missed the boat on that one. I had an alert set. It must have went off. Oh no, we never closed below my alert, so I wasn't able to get back in. It's all good. That's not something I'll participate in chasing. Look at the VIX. VIX
That's
is
why I'm bullish.
fucking
VIX is crushed.
vomit mode. VIX. QQQ has the sloping resistance. Major sloping resistance on QQQ still. If QQQ flips 580 40s, they should rock it. That's major sloping resistance. And it's supply, previous demand supply. It's like the market makers know.
How to present the most pain.
Right?
Yeah. Anybody holding calls? Anybody trading? I sincerely believe we're gonna go to
Here we
VWAP. I
go.
don't know why
This is supply. Here's QQQ supply. They gotta flip
No,
this. It's
they're gonna go
triple.
to VWAP.
This is our
They're gonna
third.
go to VWAP.
This is our third touch on supply.
They're gonna go to VWAP. I'm gonna get paid.
POC just came in here on SPY.
Conditions are changing. MACD's finally in bull territory. The only thing is that the squeeze is on the bearish side.
And they just popped in POC. They're dancing around POC. I'd say
never touched.
I'd say 644.30, Dimitri, is probably trim zone for you.
Oh no. VWAP, buddy. VWAP. I'm gonna make crazy money right now.
All right. Don't be greedy. Your stream failed? Try it. Are you talking on Dimitri's? Just exit it and go back and see if it works.
Buddy, break of structure is high a fucking day. They can go, guys. They can go.
Dimitri, is
They
your
wanna
stream, is your Wi-Fi being shit?
No, everything is great.
Oh, that's weird.
You can disconnect if you guys want.
Yeah, disconnect and then go back in. Did we hit the max for stream views? No, I don't think so.
Is it better now? Should be good now. Price target VWAP. I'm down 3,000. I'm about to crazy print right
Your
now, guys.
first price target, if anybody's in calls, should be 644.30s, and which is also 580.90s is supply on QQQ.
Let's fucking go.
That is trim zone. This is the 200 on the 1 minute right here. Finally, we see some bullish volume. We haven't had bullish volume like this since this morning. But they stopped squeezing. This is the 200. 644.30s, 32. That's where I would take some off.
I just put green on the day. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not selling anything, guys. VWAP is price target. 50% retracement. I am not leaving.
Don't be greedy. Look left. 644.30s. Also supply on QQQ 580.90s.
Yeah, this is QQQ POC. But QQQ also has the backtest VWAP.
I'm talking about the supply at 580.90s and 644.30s. If they run VWAP, dude, there's a good possibility they're going to try to flip it and go north. So if you're going to stomach
I'm only gonna sell half at VWAP. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. Today's the runner's day for me.
you got to know when to hold them. Know when to fold them.
I'm in the money already, so I'm fine. Let's flip red again.
Fucking guy, dude.
Well, man has diamond hands, bro.
I was fucking saying this is rejection zone.
No. QQQ needs to test VWAP also. It's gonna happen. I mean, the best moves never backtest, guys, but let's see. Six is going down, price is not going down. How it is.
Here you go, buddy. I'll help you with this one.
You gonna pray? Wow. So fucking loud.
Huh?
Such a dick.
What'd you say? It's loud?
Yeah, it's so loud.
If you right click on the Flavi bot, you can lower the user volume. I have mine set to like 50%. Right click Flavi bot in the voice channel and lower it to 50%.
How do I completely cancel it?
You can't.
They're just toying with everybody's emotions. They're gonna go up. Go see, just popped. They really do take the fucking staircase up and then the elevator down. It's wild.
Buddy, this fucking supply. I can't believe you didn't sell it to 200.
Because I was only up like fucking $400.
I know, but what are you up right now?
Oh, I'm down right now.
Yeah, I know. Supply, major supply is 644.30s. If they don't flip 644.30s, we're gonna stay in this penalty zone. We're gonna stay in this box from 644.30s to 643.60s. 644.30s has to break, and 580.91 needs to break to be bullish.
Everything is lining up to test the 50% if you guys are looking at my screen. This is a bear flag. After the 50%, we're going to collapse like crazy, in my opinion. Imagine Trump comes out right now and says, China. Back to 480.
No. I'm curious what's going to happen with this Jerome Powell beef that he's having with him. He's pissed that Jerome Powell spent $3 billion on renovating the Federal Reserve, and he said it was a $50 million job. That's what he wants to sue him over. He approved a $3 billion renovation. You know how much $3 billion? You could put up skyscrapers for that money.
This is ridiculous. Again, we're testing demand. This is ridiculous. What's the IV on my contracts?
IV's garbage today.
16%.
That's actually not terrible. Joey, did you get your new phone?
It's at the house. I gotta go pick it up.
Nice.
It just came. I literally just got the email like 10 minutes ago.
That's awesome, dude.
Which phone did you get? Which phone did you get, buddy?
My fucking phone wasn't connecting to Bluetooth, and the middle was peeling up. So I did an insurance claim, and they said that that's a common problem with the 5. So they sent me the 7 for $100.
What did you get? The iPhone 5?
No.
No, hell no. iPhone 5. Jesus Christ. What are
That
you,
new
in the 80s?
Samsung Fold phone. You remember that one that we were playing with at the mall?
Oh, you got that phone?
Yeah, I already had it. Remember, I showed you at dinner the 5, but yeah, I got the 7 now.
Nice.
I gotta
That
go
thing's
pick it up.
sick.
It's at the house.
Well, I know what Joey's doing later.
Switching everything over.
No, I know what you're doing later on that big ass iPad phone.
Bro, watching porn on this thing is the fucking best. Oh, shit, my bad, Sherry. Oh, good thing I stopped. Oh.
Brittany's gonna be like, "What are you watching?"
Oh, I show her, bro. The first time I had this phone, I was like, you gotta fucking see this. You could see this juice is squirting out.
Oh, whoa, relax.
You fucking started it.
Very dangerous when there's a whole bunch of dudes and there's a few girls in the group. It's very dangerous because
Especially unfiltered people with fucking D and Ryan leaving the group.
Exactly. And now that I'm in this group, believe me, I'm containing myself the majority of the time. Trust me, bro.
This is not good. Trend line is about to break. This is not good. Bear flag is about to break down.
You sure about that?
Yeah, fucking profit.
This is demand approaching 643.55. If they break this, low of day. QQQ is on fast track sloping support. They're trying to slice it.
Come on, let's just beat my last trade.
I took a loss. I'm all out. I took a loss.
Come on.
What are you in, Joey?
644 put. I sold my calls at supply and jumped over.
This is bounce zone
I
here.
fucking hit $180 on fucking Tesla this morning and gave all the shit back.
Told you guys today was going to be a difficult day to trade. You might get clapped here, dude. Watch out. This is demand. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points.
$643.84 and I'll stop.
I want to get back in.
You stop overtrading, buddy. $200 too much money for you.
Huh?
Stop overtrading. Make 200. That's good.
Yeah. That's what happened.
QQQ's on demand. If they break this, then you're fine, Joey. QQQ has to break 579.80s. This is penalty.
I just moved down to 643.73.
This is penalty zone here. This is penalty corner. Remember that box that I drew like 20 minutes ago?
I hate your fucking box. It's always right.
You can fucking make this box tighter, actually.
Go
ahead, Albert. I know you want to say something.
No, I'm just gonna keep quiet. I'm not gonna. What am I gonna do? We're all fucked today. Ryan. And Sherry.
I'll try calls again at PCP.
Looks like this is gonna be an all-day thing, Dimitri.
I stayed on my computer all day yesterday.
Oh God.
I am not going to participate in that.
It's like literally staying in the casino all day.
That's why my broker's off, dude. I physically have to shut my broker off so I don't force myself into a trade.
This is a problem. I moved my stop too close.
I don't like how QQQ didn't crack demand.
Yeah, that's why I'm at 643.56.
That's a very close stop.
Yeah, that's the problem. I always get stopped out too early because of that, but I don't want to lose it. Okay.
You should have room to 643 area if they want to do it. It would make sense if QQQ loses their demand. This can also be a higher low from 1118. Possibility.
I'm okay if they stop me out. I'll be green.
You're green on the day?
$36.
That's right. About to be more in a second if they do this. QQQ's trying to roll over. There you
Let's
go.
go, bitch.
I just bought puts.
Well, I guess I'm staying.
I want low of day.
I want low a year. Well, get away from me.
Dude, I'm just fucking horrible lately. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
QQQ didn't break. They didn't close below.
No, I cannot read anything.
I mean, you guys are also trying to trade 2-cent candles. There's nothing here. It's just.
Buddy, you were trading 2-cent candles at opening.
What are you talking about? Candles were not 2 cents this morning.
Boom, 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 boom.
Dimitri, regardless of what you say, his PNL says different for the day.
Ooh.
Correct.
Headshot. Everybody looks like Counter-Strike. All guys, we're gonna have a good. Trust me, this group is just getting started. We're gonna fucking make this fucking community rock. Winning or
Appreciate you,
losing,
Albert.
you will have a good fucking entertaining morning.
Oh, if Dimitri and I are arguing or one of us is losing tens of thousands of dollars, it's not entertainment.
It's not entertainment to you guys.
Where are they bouncing from? This is empty pocket. We should go lower.
I think they're fooling, buddy. Previous close is very, very close.
That's great if we go to previous close.
QQQ's trying to stay below. I just don't like how QQQ's hanging on to this level here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 touch points on this level QQQ's on. They should break it. The more times they touch this level, they should break it. Anybody have an update on the put to call ratio? Is it put side heavy?
I fucking love ChatGPT for emails. It's the best. Oh
Put
my
side heavy,
God.
Ryan.
Put side heavy.
200,000 more put.
This makes sense then, what they're doing. They're taking their time. They're going to go. They're just taking their time.
If the fucking Hulk showed up.
Oh my god. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
This is the bottom of that box. This is the bottom of that demand here. They need to stay below this 643.50s, 53.
How did they not take me out?
You're in futures?
No, I just don't get it. I had my take profit at 643.57. It hit it and never took me.
Yeah,
Did
Joe,
you guys-
that's called getting fucked, buddy.
Did you guys hit 643.57 on TOS?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't care as long as it goes down, but it looks like it's going to shoot up now.
643.60.
there it goes. It just took me out good.
Back to the box. Back to the penalty box. QQQ
Yeah, this is
supply,
ridiculous. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
580.38.
No technicals are working. Nothing. They're just breaking, faking. Nothing.
Calls would work here back to 644. In my opinion, if we hold this.
I just added.
Gentlemen, it has always been a pleasure. We'll let you guys go. I gotta finish packing. I gotta be out in a couple of hours.
Have a safe trip,
Let's
Albert.
see if
Sir, Dimitri, good luck, my brother.
have a safe flight, man. Enjoy.
Everybody else in the trade.
Later,
God
Albert.
bless.
It's beautiful in Florida.
It's hot.
Thank you.
Too fucking hot.
Also
Too
beautiful.
Pack
hot.
shorts.
I'll see you in December. Fuck that.
What's the degrees in December, Ryan, in Florida? November, December.
Oh, like 70s. It's nice. It gets chilly at nighttime. It's gorgeous.
Oh, it's like an ice box in your house anyway.
Yep. It feels really cold in my house because it's 100 degrees outside. 644 is price target. Like I said, we're back in the penalty box.
Now I'm on the wrong fucking side. This is ridiculous.
644 is price target. We have a higher low on SPY.
I just took a loss. Ridiculous. Now I can't even fucking participate in this one because I feel like I'm going to chase it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing today.
Anybody in calls? POC's price target 643.95.
Better try.
What are you in?
Oh. This range is getting very, very tight.
Now it would make sense for them to take out the top of this supply because they put in a fresh low, they broke demand and bounced. Now they should take out supply. That makes the most sense to me because it makes the least amount of sense to retailers. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking they're going to try to push through 644 this time and actually continue. But QQQ needs to cooperate. QQQ needs to be above 580.38 on QQQ. That's what I see. Or other scenario, we just continue to stay in this box and just chop sideways because it is lunchtime. It's 12 o'clock.
Oh shit, it's 12 o'clock? Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is no trading zone time.
So, with that being said, I'm probably going to jump off, go to the gym.
I'm also gonna jump off. Hopefully we get view up. I'm loaded in calls.
It looks like they're going to try to push 644, but this is lunchtime chop. This is this box that I drew. This is it. Look at how many touch points. I'll repost it again. Look at how many touch points we've had.
I gotta take a break from trading, man. This is not good.
See this box? This is just meat grinder zone. We've been meat grinded. We've been in this zone since 10:30. 11:30, hour and a half in this zone.
Break of structure is approaching.
Just when I was gonna leave. Let's see. 644 needs to flip. 644.07.
Go, go, go. There's so much overhead supply. It's wild. You got the trend line, you got POC, you got the 200, you got break of structure. There's a lot of overhead supply here.
I wish I could split this box in half and make it half of it green and half of it red.
For what? For where?
Just for illustration purposes.
You traded like a fucking degen in the morning, and I can't believe you're green.
I didn't
I
trade
just
like a
held.
degen.
I just held. That's why
I
got
stopped
a
out at
lot.
like 2 or 3 cents if I was wrong, and I knew it
Right.
was gonna be a slow fucking crap day. But dude, you got to realize I identified QQQ bleeding out early. That's why I switched my focus to puts. That's why I kept getting in puts. QQQ broke structure at 10:06. Look where we were on SPY at 10:06. We were almost at the top. QQQ broke structure. QQQ took out pre-market floor at 10 o'clock, 10:06.
Yeah.
You know? And then it was just
Hey,
vomit
Ryan.
mode. Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I'll text you.
Going to eventually test VWAP.
This is just penalty corner right now. This is just burning. This is burn time. 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
How'd everybody else do today? Anybody post in the profit section?
Horrible for me.
Point 20%. Yeah, this is penalty zone. All the bulls are getting treatment.
Hey, you could turn off the stream if you want. There's nothing here. I'm just
Hold on
holding
one
hopes.
second. Is fucking Trump talking right now?
Is he?
Yeah.
About what?
About fucking DC. What the hell is going on in DC? Like rioting or something? Yeah, he's having a press conference right now. He's talking. Is it crime or is it homelessness? Yeah. I guess they go hand in hand, right? How's the homelessness in California?
Very bad.
Yeah. Yeah, it was similar to Hawaii. I don't know if it was as bad as California, but I'm sure. I don't know if Randy, you're in here. You can attest to it. Tent City in Hawaii on Oahu. Probably not as bad as LA though. They got beachfront property, man, for free. Right? I know. Well, your wish might come true, Dimitri. Maybe he'll say something about China.
No, if he says something about China, we're gonna dump. Oh, buddy, let's go! Finally, come on. I'm loaded.
You're getting excited over freaking 10 cents. 10-cent candle.
Yeah, but you don't understand how much that 10-cent candle was right now.
Why don't you just hit SPX at the bottom of this box?
Let's just say I have 50 SPX contracts right now
Oh, okay.
with SPY.
All right. It's going to be a heavy commission day again for you.
It's gonna be a heavy day if we go to VWAP. It's gonna be a very heavy day.
QQQ sideways.
We did just break the fucking channel all the way from top to now. Channel finally broke, but dude, they have zero legs. I hate when the VIX is under 15, 14. There is nothing. Buddy, the 15-minute chart is like the 1-minute chart.
I know.
It's like nothing. Look at the range. You can't have money here. No trades here.
Excuse me. Yeah, this is like watching paint dry.
Yeah, garbage.
I'm gonna jump off. I'll if I see anything, I'll pop back in. But I'm gonna head to the gym.
Yeah.
What's up, Sam? One question I always had since VIX shows how much SPX moves in a day, when after some point it reverses, meaning if VIX goes down, SPY goes up. I'm not sure if I understand that question. You're meaning VIX going down, SPY should be going up? It doesn't measure, it measures volatility. Volatility could be both bearish and bullish, if that makes sense. Think cycles. Think high volatility cycles were swinging back and forth. Low volatility, that's why we've been in a dollar range for the last 2 hours. It doesn't necessarily mean one direction. We can have a VIX spike. We can crash today. VIX could spike tomorrow, and we can be bearish all day still, or we could be bullish all day with a spiked VIX. Did that answer your question? It works on both sides.
Everybody's shorting, I feel, this supply. Come on.
Okay. Let me do this one more time. You know what? I have not looked at this. What's the flow? Are we bullish, bearish? All these are far out of the money. Or expirations are super far. 630 puts came in for 2.2 million.
No way. Really?
Yeah. 630 puts,
Seems like
2.2 million.
I think they want to go 50% retracement from Monday to today's highs. Monday's like
It's very mixed.
Okay.
0 day, 104,000 for 644 calls. That's probably you. Is that you?
I have no clue. I have 500 contracts, 44 calls.
Yeah, that's probably you. 1201?
No, they're fucking 66 cents.
I know, I'm just telling you, open interest. It's a lot, 15,000. A lot of people are in that position. Another one came in, 644 calls, 155,000.
Yo, this is ridiculous. Look what they're doing today.
This is penalty box. It's lunchtime. All right, I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to jump off, go to the gym. Don't overtrade today, guys. Today is not the day. Today is definitely not the day to overtrade and push your luck.